What is up guys, and welcome to my new video. It's always me, Johnny, and today we are gonna talk about some LUTs and presets, as you wanna call it, and especially we are gonna talk about these things in Lightroom. So if you are using Lightroom and you use presets and maybe you want some more presets to add to your collection, just watch all the video and you will find a gift for you at the end of this video. So without wasting any time, let's go to the video. So first of all, what are LUTs? Or maybe presets. So LUTs means lookup table. So they are basically some filters that you can apply on your images. Like maybe you already know the filters on Instagram. It's kind of the same, but here you can do it in Lightroom. And as you may already know, in Lightroom, you can also adjust more settings than maybe like Instagram. And also you can use these presets on your mobile. Maybe if you use Lightroom on your desktop PC or maybe your laptop, you can use it also on your mobile by downloading the Lightroom app from Adobe. And you will just find your presets that you have on your PC or Mac. And that is very simple. But how can you create those presets? That's very simple. You just go on Lightroom, on your Lightroom page in your PC. In this case, I will do it on PC. So these steps are similar on Mac and you can actually do it also on your mobile phone. It's very easy too, but in this case, I will do it on PC. So actually, when you have your photo on Lightroom, you just have all your edits done here in the edit tabs. And when you have done anything here, maybe you just modified your clarity or vibrance or saturation on everything on this one. For this example, I will just take my preset right here. You can see it, it's already modified. So when you had done everything here on the edit tab, you just go on the top of presets right here on the left side and you just click on this plus icon. You just click here and you just click on create presets. And actually here you can name it right here. Name your preset, and down below you can check all your effects that you want in your preset. Like I usually don't check the transform because if I apply my preset to other photos, they are not the same size, so I just don't want the transform effect on every photo that I edit. And for the rest, I pretty much have all checked, but this is personal. It's based on your effect, on your preset that you want to do. And then you click create, and then you will find all your presets in your folder right here, down below all your presets. And there you have it. It's very simple. So with just 2 clicks, you have your presets. So maybe now you can use it on all of your photos, on maybe your friend photos, or maybe you want to sell it. And actually on this topic, I will do a full video on how to sell a preset and where to sell it. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed already, just subscribe right now so you won't miss any content. And actually, I will tell you just right now how to find your preset. Maybe if you want to just back up your preset, maybe in an external hard drive, or maybe you just want to give it to your friend or someone, you just go on your preset that you have already done. You just right click on it and you just click show in Explorer. So here you will find all your presets that maybe you can just zip and just send it to anyone that you want. And actually, to just import those presets, you just always click on the plus icon where you can create your preset. You just click it and you just click import preset. And then you can import your preset right here. And then you just have the preset on the list right here on the left side. But if you want to organize your imported presets just better, you just have to go on edit right here. And you just click preferences. And then you go on preset tab and you just click show all other Lightroom presets. You just click here and then you click on Lightroom folder. And then you just click on the develop presets. Here you can create a folder and just pass any presets that you wanted, and then you just restart Lightroom and then you will find all your presets on the left side of Lightroom, but you will find them as a folder that you named it. So that being said, for this Christmas I decided to just give it to you some of my presets that I've used in my last photos and that I use recently. So if you want to check them out, just go in the description and you will find all the instruction to get the presets. And if you have any problem, you can just write me. And also, if you like it or if you don't like it, just let me know in the comment section. So I hope you like this gift and I wish you a Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.